Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
So today I'm going to do the Google Picks My Makeup Challenge, and I saw Nikki do it on her channel and I thought it'll be great fun to do it over here. So the rules are very simple. I have to type in the first letter of my first name, which is Himani, so H, and the first letter of my last name, which is Khatri, so which is K, and just add the word look to it and we'll see what comes up. So the first image that comes up is the inspiration for the look. So let's see what I'll get. So the first image that comes up for me is this. When I write HK look. So I got a lot of buildings and it's a blue sky, dark blue sky. So my picture is actually very similar to what Nikki got, but hers was a morning thing and she also got buildings and she got a road. So we have the blue and the black in common, and the colors are also pretty much the same. So let's see what I can create out of this picture. So I'm going to start off by concealing my lids. And now I'm going to set it. Okay, so now I'm done with that. Now is the main challenge. So I am thinking, because there's a dark blue, which is the sky, so I'm going to use blue as my main color and then see what I can build. So I'm only going to put this color on half of the lid and blend it out later. So yeah, I think this one looks fine. Now I'm going to use a darker blue color to make it look more like the sky in the picture. So I am taking, so I'm taking this blue and I'm going to smoke it out. So I'm just blending out the corners to make it look very smooth. I think I'm happy with how it looks right now. I'm going to add a transition color to this look now, which is this yellow here. So this was the color of one of the buildings in the picture, so I'm going to just take that as my transition color. So adding the yellow color actually turned the color into a peacock green color, which I am kind of liking, but I'm not sure what will happen once I add the orange, which is the other building's color. I think this is it. I'm going to pick an orange color from the same palette, which is this one. So I'm going to mix this and this color and try and create the color of the second building and blend it out. So I think I'm done adding color to this. I'm not going to do any more experiments with this look for now because I don't want to risk it. I'm just going to take my eyeliner and make a wing liner because that's the safest that we can go right now. Yep, I like how it looks. So the last thing that this look really needs right now are falsies. So I'm going to add my lashes and be back. So after adding the lashes, you can literally see it makes a huge difference. It actually adds the right amount of glam to the look. So now I'm going to just go in with my mascara and I'm going to do my lower lashes after the base. So this is done. Next step, I'm going to do my brows now. So I'm pretty much done with the eyes for now. I'm going to complete the look once I'm done with the base. So I'm going to quickly do that and come back. So I'm done with my base. Now I'm going to complete this look by finishing my lower lash. So for that, I'm going to go back in with the same blue color and smoke the lower lash out. Alright, so this looks good. Now because I missed the yellow in this eye right now, so I'm going to try and add it to my inner corner and see if it works. So I'm using the same palette again and picking up this yellow here. So I don't think it looks bad at all. I actually like the pop of color that the yellow is bringing to the eye look. Now I'm just going to go in with a normal highlighter and just highlight the brow bone. Now I'm going to bronze up my face and add a little contour and blush. So I'm really liking how the eye look turned out to be till now. I would definitely wear it for a night out. So now to finish the look, I'm going to use a very subtle color on my lip because otherwise it will become too dramatic. So I'm using my nude color. So this is the final look. I must say when I started off, I was really nervous because I didn't know what I was going to do. But now, how the colors are coming together and they are so bright, I'm giving this look a thumbs up. You let me know what you think about the look in the comment section below. Also, while you do that, do not forget to check out our POPxo shop. We have a lot of amazing stuff like wall clocks, sweatshirts, notebooks, and so much more. So check out the link in the description below and happy shopping. Also, for more such makeup and beauty tips and tricks, keep watching POPxo Beauty.